Okay, so for number 5, we're looking for the volume of a prism. And in this prism, it looks like this. You're asked to find the volume of it. We had a very specific formula for the volume, and it's a super easy formula. It's just the area of the base times the height. Now, the key here is what is the area and what is the base and what is the height? Well, the lateral area is always going to be the rectangle. So when you look at this, even though it looks like it's laying flat on one of these rectangles, those rectangles are not the base. The actual base is going to be the triangle. The rectangles are not going to be the base. The only time the rectangles are the base is if all you have on your sides are rectangles. And then it's a rectangular prism, and it doesn't matter which you choose to be the base. But if not, the base has to be the shape that is not the rectangle. And so in this case, it's an equilateral triangle because it's given to you that it's equilateral. So when you do the volume, you've got to find the area of that base. And so the base is an equilateral triangle, which we know you can find the area by doing side squared root 3 over 2. If you've forgotten that formula, it's time to get it back, or over 4. It's time to get that back in your memory. And then you multiply the height. Well, the height is the distance between the bases. And so that's the distance between your bases. And so that's going to give you 18. And so it turns out to just be 9 root 3 times 18, which is equal to 162 root 3, which approximates to 280.6 as your answer. For number 7, it's similar to that, except for this time, when we take a look at it, you have a right triangle. So it looks like that, where this is 20, and this is 12, and this is 6, and this is a right angle here. And so you have to find the volume of this. Well, again, you've got these 3 rectangles. Those 3 rectangles represent the sides, or the lateral area, and so they are not the base. The base is this right triangle right here. And so when we're looking to find the volume, you're going to do, well, the area of the right triangle is 1/2 leg times leg. So 1/2 times 20 times 12. And then the height is the distance between the 2 right triangles, which is just going to be 6. And so you just multiply that times 6. So it turns out to be 120 times 6, which gives you 720 millimeters cubed.